Ivan. Greetings to all of you. Polycystic ovarian syndrome affects over 20% of world's women population. What you eat and physical activities, daily physical activities, will do a specific impact on the symptom of PCOS. Clinical studies have shown that Mediterranean diets, DASH diet, and keto diets have a potential impact on the symptom of PCOD. How much a diet affects for PCOS symptoms? There are two major ways. First one is weight management. Second one, insulin production and manage the insulin resistance level. When we think about weight management, we all know that most of the PCOD patients are obese. Or more than 50% of PCOD patients are obese patients. This obesity can lead to go for so many difficulties in their life. They get more prone to have symptoms very early, and also this obese condition may lead to many social and behavioral difficulties. However, insulin plays a typical role in PCOD. So, managing insulin level with a PCOD diet is the first step that you can take the control of this PCOD. So, what to eat in PCOD diet? Let's see. Natural, unprocessed foods, and spinach and dark green vegetables, and fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals and so many others, especially red pigment containing foods and vegetables. This pigment can help to increase your metabolic rate. As we all know, we are made up of thousands, millions of cells. In each and every cell, there's a mitochondria that controls all your cell function and generate the energy. So this mitochondria favor red color pigments. So if you eat more antioxidant containing foods with red color pigments, it will increase your metabolic rate. That will definitely help to reduce the symptoms of PCOS. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and nuts we can have almond, pistachio, and walnuts. And also pulses just like chickpeas and kidney beans and lentils. That is good for PCOS. Healthy fats such as coconut oil and olive oil. And dark chocolate. Spices such as turmeric, tamarind, and cinnamon. Always make sure to follow a diet with low glycemic index and low carbohydrates. Researchers have found that these diets improve the metabolism of insulin, and that leads to curing permanently symptoms of PCOS. So today, I'm going to give you a full day easy PCOD diet plan. So let's go back to it. So we are going to wake up at around 5:30 and start our diet plan. We are going to drink a lukewarm water, a glass of lukewarm water. There's no bed tea, nothing, no teas, no sugary drinks. That is our start. Next is our PCOD breakfast diet. We are going to have it around 6:30 to 7:30. Our plate should be in a medium range. That is not too big, not too small. Have a medium-sized plate. We take the first quarter as your carbohydrate. You can have rice or any carbohydrate source that you have already in your kitchen. The second quarter is with protein. You can have meat, you can have fish, or you can have eggs and mushrooms, any protein source that is in a quarter. The next quarter would be the vegetables, the pigment, any color, different colors of pigment containing vegetable patties that you already have cooked in your kitchen. The next portion, the next quarter, will be empty. After half an hour for your breakfast, we have to have a 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of cold water. Apple cider vinegar has a very potential effect to reduce the deposit of your fat layers in the lower abdominal area. So, have to drink 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar after your breakfast. At about 10:30 to 11:30, you're going to have your first break, your tea break. You can have a cold drink because cold drinks stimulate your metabolic rate. You can have a green tea, you can have a flaxseed tea, you can have a ginger tea, any cold drink that without adding sugar and without adding salt. Between 12:30 to 1:30, you are going to have your lunch. For the lunch also, we are going to divide the plate into two groups. The first portion, the first half, you have to have more protein. Meat, fish, eggs, mushroom, any protein content, half of your plate. The other half, we are going to divide into two parts. One half, we are going to have nuts and pulses. As nuts, you can have walnuts, pistachio, and any type of nut with containing so many antioxidants and fiber. And you can have another portion with probiotics. You can have a yogurt or a curd. And with this, you can have a fruit, avocado, watermelon, such of fruit rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Then comes your second break. Your second tea break at about 4:30 to 5, you can have a green tea, a black tea, or a king coconut drink. And you can have a small piece of cake or biscuit, any sweet thing, because as we all know that the PCOD patients are already have a craving for sugar. So if we stop it drastically, they can't hold this diet plan. So let's have a small bit of sugar containing biscuit, any piece of small cake, you can have it your this tea break. At about 7:30 to 8, we are going to have our dinner. Dinner portion, the dinner plate also, we are going to divide into two parts. The first half, we are going to have more proteins, fish, meat, and eggs, and also mushrooms containing the half of your plate. The next quarter would be adding nuts and probiotics. You can have yogurt or curd and along with nuts. And the other quarter would be green leafy salad, which rich in antioxidants. And after your dinner, you can have a fruit average, range average type of a banana, average type of average size of a avocado, and 5 to 6 of strawberries would be preferred. A permanent cure for PCOS is a really challenge for many sciences. But for Ayurveda, we treat the root cause of this disease, the hormone imbalance. Along with the diet plan, it is not an impossible. So if you need a more personalized diet plan, along with yoga, exercises, and relaxation, please contact. See you in another session.